Chapter 4 Quadratic Equation Exercise 4.1. Is it? First we have to check whether they are quadratic equations or not. Is it? Check whether they are quadratic equation. So how it will be quadratic equation? What is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is if it is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Is it? Then it is called a quadratic equation. So what we have for the first question, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 in the bracket x minus 3. So expansion of this, we know that x plus 1 whole square. What is x plus 1 whole square? It is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, what is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the place of a? Here x. What is the place of b? It is 1. So x square plus 2a into b, that is 2x into 1 plus b. B is 1, so 1 square. So x square plus 2x plus 1. Is it? So now what we have in the question? It is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 in the bracket x minus 1. But what is expansion of this we found? We found that it is x square plus 2x plus 1. So substitute here. Open the bracket. So 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 is minus 6. So 2x and 2x cancel out. You are left with what? 1. X square plus 1. Minus 6 come on this side. It will be plus 6. So you are left with x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we arrange in quadratic equation form, it is x square is there. So ax square bx. X is not given. So b is equal to 0. And c is 7. So yes. So it is in quadratic form. Is it? Second one. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2, 3 in the bracket 3 minus x. Is it? Simplify it both the side. So x square minus 2x, if you multiply, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus into minus plus, so 2x. So bring it on this side. So x square minus 2x plus 2x, if this comes on this side, it will be minus 2x. Minus 6 will come on this side, will become plus 6x is equal to 0. So arrange it. X square minus minus plus, but sign will be minus. So x square minus 4x plus 6. Yes. So it is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is also quadratic equation. Let's move on to next question. Let us simplify. Is it? So x multiply with the whole bracket. So x into x, x square, x into 1, 1x. Is it? Multiply with minus 2. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus plus is minus. So 2 ones are 2, minus 2. Is it? Same way this side also. X into x, x square, x into 3x, 3x. Minus 1 into this bracket. So minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus into plus minus, so minus 3. Is it? So we got it here, x square. Okay, x square minus x minus 2x is equal to 0. If you simplify it, will x square and x square will get cancelled. Okay, so we are left with minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it? So there is no x square term in this. Okay, x cube minus y cube is equal to what? X minus y, x minus y. Is it? Square of the first term, opposite sign, multiplication of first term, second term, plus second term square. Is it? Again I repeat, x cube minus y cube is the same bracket, x minus y, the another bracket, square of the first term, opposite sign, multiplication of first term, second term, plus second term square. Okay, the next formula, x cube plus y cube, it is x plus y, same bracket, x plus y, square of the first term, opposite sign, multiplication of first term, second term, plus second term square. Now x plus y cube. What is that? It is x cube y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. It can also be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into the same bracket x plus y. Is it? If you multiply 3xy into x, you will get 3x square y. 3xy into y, you will get 3xy square. So x minus y cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y, 3x square y, or also it can be written as same as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into the same bracket x minus y. So now let us start with the fourth question. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x in the bracket x plus y, x plus 5. So multiply inside x into the same bracket, this one. So x into 2x, okay. So x into 2x, it is 2x square. X into 1 is x. Now with minus 3 into 2, 6. Minus into plus minus, so minus 3. Here x into x, x square. X into 5 is 5x. Is it? Now collect everything on one side. So 2x square, this x square will come here. So minus x square minus 5x plus 5 will come on this side. So minus 5x, and this is minus 3 already there. It is equal to 0. Is it? If you simplify, 2x minus x square is x square, minus minus plus, so it is minus 10x and minus 3. So yes, it is in a form of a quadratic equation. Is it? Let's check for others now. This is same way. 2x will multiply with this bracket. So 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into minus 3 is minus 6x. Then with minus 1 with x is minus x, minus minus plus, so it is plus 3. Here also same way, x into x, x square, x into minus 1 is minus x, 5 into x is plus 5x, 5 into minus x, minus 1 is minus 5. Is it? So collect everything on one side. So 2x square, is it? Minus x square, 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Then if you all bring this everything on this side, sign will change. So minus x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Is it? So 2x square minus x square is x square, minus 7 minus 4, it is minus 11x, 3 and 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 8 is equal to 0. Yes, is it? So it is also in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, x square plus 3x plus 1, x minus 2 whole square. Let's expand this first. So x minus 2 whole square is equal to x square minus 2 into this 2, x into 2, is it? Plus 2 whole square. Which formula used is a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square minus 4x plus 4. Is it? So what is the question given to us? X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Expansion of this is what? X square minus 4x plus 4. Here it is x square plus 3x plus 1. Is it? So 3x plus 1. Then if you bring it minus 4 on this side, it will become plus, and plus 4 will become minus. So it will become 3x plus 4. 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have 7x minus 3 is equal to 0, since there is no x squared term here. Is it? So it is not a quadratic equation. Let's start with 7th one. X plus 2 cube. So a plus b, or we can say x plus y cube. So it is x cube y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Is it? So what is in place of x? X is x only, but in place of y is 2. So x cube plus in place of y is 2, so 2 cube. Now 3, and in place of x is x square only, in place of y is 2, so 2, and 3x, and place of y is 2, so 2. Is it? Now what is that? It is x cube. Cube of 2 is 8. Now here x square, 2 3 is 6, so 6x square. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so it is 12x. Okay. Okay. So rearrange it. So what we get? X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. Is it? So that is expansion of what? X plus 2 cube. So now write the question again. X plus 2 cube, x plus 2 cube plus is equal to 2x in the bracket x square minus 1. What value we got of x plus 2 cube? We got this expression, so write it. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to, multiply inside, so 2x into x square is 2x cube and 2x into minus is minus 2x. So bring it inside and write it equal to, and equate it to 0. So x cube minus 2x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. If we simplify it, what you will get? It is not in what? It is not in a quadratic equation, because you will get answer in cubic form. Okay. Let's start with the question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. The area of the rectangle plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth. Is it? We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So L and B we have to find. Is it? Okay. So what is the area of the rectangle? So suppose the breadth is x meter. Why we said to select the breadth? Because it is, the length is less. So what we say, that the length of a rectangle plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. Is it? So breadth is smaller here, so we will take breadth as x. So if we put here x, it will become twice of x means 2x. 1 more means 2x plus 1, which will be equal to length. Okay. So suppose breadth is x, then the length will become twice of x plus 1 more means plus 1. So the length will become 2x plus 1. Is it? So here, suppose the breadth is x meter, so the length will become 2x plus 1 meter. What we have? Area of rectangle is L into B. So area of rectangle is equal to what is given as 528 meter. L is x and breadth is 2x plus 1. If you multiply inside, you will get 2x square plus x. So arrange it. So you will get 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Is it? So 2x square plus 5x plus x minus 528 is equal to 0 is a required quadratic equation. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integer. Okay. So two consecutive positive integer means, suppose one consecutive integer is x, other will be x plus 1. So product means multiplication. So x into x plus 1 is 306. So let the two consecutive integer be, x and x plus 1. So product is given, so according to condition of problem, x into x plus 1 is 306. Multiply inside, so x squared plus x is equal to 206. So x squared plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Let's move on to the third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their age 3 years from now will be 336. What would like to find Rohan present age? We would like to find the Rohan present age. So suppose the Rohan age is x years, Rohan mother age will be 26 more, means x plus 26 years. After 3 years means both age will grow, will increase by 3. So x plus 3, Rohan age will be x plus 3 and our mother age will become x plus 26 plus 3, that is will be 29. Is it? So the age of Rohan will be x plus 3 years, and the age of Rohan mother will be x plus 29 years. Is it? The product of the age is what? 336. So if you multiply and solve it, you will get equation x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0, which is in the quadratic form. Travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We would need to find the speed of the train. So how is it? Suppose the speed of the train is x kilometers per hour. The time taken by the train to travel 480 kilometer with the speed of x kilometer per hour is, we are finding time. What is time is equal to distance upon, it is distance upon the speed. Speed is x, so distance is 480, so it is 480 upon x kilometers per hour. So it means hour only. If the train would be 8 kilometer less, then the new speed of the train will be x minus 8 kilometers per hour. So the time taken by the train to travel 480 kilometer with the speed of x minus 8 kilometers per hour is what? Speed, distance upon speed. So it is 480 upon x minus 8 hours. Is it? Now we have to see, compare this ratio. Which ratio the answer will be greater? See, this is minus 8. So it will give you, if you divide anything with a minus 8, what is there? Suppose x is equal to 10. So 10 minus 8 divided by, so what do you get? 2. 2 if you divide, what will get? Here more answer will be there. Is it? Divisibility answer will be more. And if you place here 10, so what will be there? 48. So this gives less, this gives you more. So always when we subtract the difference between, we have to write where the fraction is more. So this fraction is more, therefore we'll write this first, and after that this, and difference of this, because of difference of this, the train got 3 hours more. Is it? So this ratio we'll write first. You understood why we write first? Suppose put x is equal to 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. 2, so you'll get 240. Is it? Here you put x is equal to 10. 10 if you put, then 0, 0 cancel, it will be 48 hours. Is it? So which is more? This is fraction gives you more. So more divided, more subtracted with a less. Is it? So 480 minus x minus 8 minus 480 upon x is equal to 3. Is it? If you simplify, now this is LCM, just a question of LCM. So x into 8 minus x, so x will go there, 8 minus x will go there. So if you simplify this, you will cut it and we will simplify, and after simplification you will get your final answer like this: x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0, which is in a form of a quadratic equation. Here x will give you the speed of the train. Okay.